Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to add a vignette to image in GIMP. So if you would like to use this option, you need to go to Filters tab, then we need to go to Light and Shadow, and here we can find vignette settings. How you can read here, we can apply a vignette to an image. It simulates the luminance fall of the edge of exposed film and some other fuzzier border effects that can naturally occur with analog photography. So I click on it, and then we can adjust radius, softness, gamma, proportion, squeeze, center X or center Y. We can select here rotation and some other settings. I will decrease here value of radius, maybe something like that. I will increase softness some, and I will set other settings to default. After that, I click OK button. And how you see, vignette effect has been successfully added to image. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.